These 10 hobbies will stop your scrolling addiction and rewire your brain, including one hidden technique at the end that most people overlook completely. Number 1, read 5 pages before you scroll. Most people try reading for an hour. That's why they quit. Behavioral science shows small habits are easier to repeat because they reduce mental resistance. Your mission is simple. Leave one book beside your couch or bed. Every time your hand reaches for your phone, read 5 pages first. Funny thing is, 5 pages often become 20. The hardest part isn't reading, it's starting. Quick question: what if every scroll became 5 pages instead? Wait, imagine doing that every day for 1 year. That's over a dozen books, replacing thousands of meaningless posts. Number 2, practice one skill for only 15 minutes. Practice one skill for only 15 minutes. Scrolling gives fake progress. Skills give real progress. Research on deliberate practice shows focused repetition beats random bursts of motivation. Choose one skill: drawing, coding, cooking, guitar, or photography. Set a timer for 15 minutes before touching your phone. One focused session today beats another 100 videos about becoming successful. Number 3, walk without your phone in your hand. Your brain processes thoughts differently while moving. Many people notice their best ideas appear during simple walks. Challenge yourself to walk 20 minutes while observing 5 new things you've never noticed before. Scrolling shrinks your world. Walking expands it. So make a quiet walk outside part of your habits. Number 4, build a journal habit. Empty your mind onto paper. People often scroll because they feel mentally overloaded, not because they're bored. Write 3 sentences. What happened? How do you feel? What's your next move? That tiny habit turns mental noise into clear direction. Your notebook becomes your reset button. Right about now, you're probably thinking, I don't have time for this, but that's exactly the trap. Listen closely to this next part. Number 5, train your body. Engage in strength exercises. Move before you scroll. Exercise naturally boosts mood-regulating brain chemicals and reduces the urge to chase constant digital stimulation. Whenever you reach for your phone, do 10 push-ups, 20 squats, or 1 minute of stretching first. You'll often forget why you wanted the phone at all. Movement changes momentum. Number 6, become a creator instead of a consumer. Make something every day. Consumers borrow excitement, creators build it. Write 50 words, sketch 1 idea, edit 1 photo, record 1 melody. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is proving you're capable of producing more than you consume. Number 7, solve puzzles. Challenge your brain. Social media rewards instant reactions. Puzzles reward patient thinking. Spend 10 minutes solving Sudoku, chess puzzles, crosswords, or a Rubik's Cube. Instead of training your attention to jump, you train it to stay. Imagine doing this every day for 1 year. Number 8, learn a language. Register for tutorials online. Replace one scrolling session with vocabulary practice. Language learning constantly exercises memory and attention. Learn 5 new words daily and use each one in a sentence. 5 words every day becomes more than 1,800 words in a year. Tiny gains quietly become life-changing skills. Wait, I'm about to reveal the hidden technique that makes the whole journey easier and more exciting. Just hold on tight. Number 9, care for something alive. Garden or grow something. Whether it's a flower, herbs, or a small indoor plant, caring for living things teaches patience. Unlike scrolling, growth can't be rushed. Water it, observe it, improve it. Watching something flourish reminds you that your own growth works the same way. Number 10, build a daily curiosity list. Chase questions, not notifications. Here's the hidden trick behind the dopamine replacement loop. Every time you're tempted to scroll, write 1 question you've always wondered about, then spend 10 minutes finding the answer. Curiosity activates your brain's reward system in a healthier way because you're seeking knowledge, not endless novelty. Replace passive consumption with active discovery, and your phone becomes a tool instead of your master. The hidden technique, the 10-minute rule. Here's the trick that changes everything. Never tell yourself, I'm quitting scrolling. Tell yourself, I'll wait 10 minutes. When you want to scroll, start your hobby for just 10 minutes first. After 10 minutes, you can scroll if you still want to. Most of the time, the urge is gone. You don't need to defeat the habit. You just need to interrupt it. Do that every day, and eventually, choosing your hobby becomes automatic. Here's the truth. You don't build a better life by deleting bad habits. You build it by replacing them with better ones until the old habits no longer fit who you are. Start with just 1 hobby today. Master it before adding another. Every minute you stop scrolling is a minute invested in becoming someone your future self will thank you for. Average people protect their comfort. Main characters protect their future. Now that you've learned how to replace scrolling, the next step is making those hobbies stick for life. Watch the next video on building unbreakable discipline and keep strengthening the identity you're creating, because transformation doesn't happen in one decision, it happens in the next one.